In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text not loading in Photopea. Quick fix. If Photopea is opening, but your text tools are not loading properly, or text just will not appear the way it should, there is a simple browser-based fix you can try. In many cases, this issue happens because of stored site data or cookies causing Photopea to load incorrectly. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clear that and refresh the app so it can load properly again. First, open your browser. This fix is done through your browser settings because Photopea runs in the browser, and problems like this are often tied to cached website data rather than the design file itself. Once your browser is open, click on the three-line icon, usually located near the top corner of the window. This opens the main browser menu where you can access the settings needed for the fix. Depending on which browser you're using, the icon placement may look a little different, but the process is generally very similar. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where your browser stores options related to privacy, saved data, and website behavior. We're heading there because the issue is most likely being caused by old site data that needs to be removed. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how your browser handles cookies, cache, and site permissions. Since Photopea depends on the browser to load its tools correctly, clearing certain stored data can often solve loading problems quickly. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. This will open the panel where you can choose what type of browser data you want to remove. Be careful here because you only want to target the relevant data for this fix. When the options appear, select Cookies and Other Site Data. This is the key part of the fix. Cookies and site data can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent a web app like Photopea from functioning properly, especially with features like text loading. After selecting that option, click Delete Data. Give your browser a moment to complete the process. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take just a few seconds. Once that's done, go back to Photopea and refresh the page. This forces the site to reload using fresh browser data, which often resolves the text loading issue right away. If the page refreshes successfully, try using the text tool again and see if everything is working normally. This is a quick and effective fix that solves the issue in many cases without changing anything inside your project.